divide 6,853 by 2. You already know by now, we divide. Starting from the leftmost digit of the dividend towards right by the divisor. First digit of dividend, 6. We will divide by divisor 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Write 3 in quotient space. Write 3 into 2. 6 below 6 of dividend. Subtract 6 minus 6 to get 0. Next digit of dividend, 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Write 4 in quotient space. Write 2 into 4, 8 below 8 of the dividend. Subtract 8 minus 8 to get 0. Next digit of dividend, 5. 5 divided by 2 is 2. Write 2 in quotient space. Write 2 into 2, 4 below 5 of the dividend. Subtract 5 minus 4 to get 1. Next digit of dividend, 3. 13 divided by 2 is 6. Write 6 in quotient space. Write 2 into 6, 12 below 13 of the dividend. Subtract 13 minus 12 to get 1. Division is complete. Quotient is 3,426. Remainder is 1.